Hello, good day. How are you? I would like to say something about myself. Hi, my name is Arman Mahadi. I am 10 years old. I am reading class 3. My school name is Bonus National Ideal High School and College. I come from Dhaka. I am from Kumilla. I live in South Bonasri in Dhaka. I have been living in there last 5 years. 5 years. I have been living there since 6 years. I have been studying English at 6 years. 1 year. I have been studying English since 2027. Finally, my main ambition is to be an pilot. I am very pleased to be introduce myself before you. Thank you for asking.
আপনার সন্তানকে ইংলিশ শেখাতে আজই যোগাযোগ করুন ইংলিশ মাস্টার দক্ষিণ বনশ্রী শাপলা বিল্ডিং সংলগ্ন লিফটেড 3 ব্লক কে।